Uncover. Level 3. Unit 9 Test. Listening. Good morning, listeners. This is Mari Jackson for Kentwood High with your Tech Report. I interviewed 100 students at Kentwood to find out how they like to communicate with their friends. Teens at our high school mostly communicate online, using their tablets or phones. No one makes phone calls anymore. Kim Park said that she hadn't made a phone call in over a year. Luis Perez told me that he occasionally uses video chat with his grandparents, but he never calls his friends. Email is also out. Katie Wu explained that email is an old-fashioned way to communicate. Students today send text messages instead. Martin Sosa said that he sends a lot of messages, probably about 50 texts a day. He even uses text messages to communicate with his parents. Online forums are also a thing of the past. Janie Mitchell explained that instead of using forums, she has conversations with friends using social networking. Social network posts are also popular as a way to tell your friends what you are doing. Nathan Sanders said that he writes posts about his activities at least 10 times a day. He also suggested that it's a good way to get news. His friends post links to news stories that he reads online. Thanks for listening, Kentwood fans. Next week, I'll talk about video chat. Do students really use it? And if so, what are the most popular video chat apps?